In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your IRS identity protection PIN in TurboTax. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the TurboTax website. Once you're there, sign into your TurboTax account. Make sure you're using the correct account for the tax return you're working on so you can access the right information without any confusion. After logging in, give the page a moment to fully load so all of the navigation tools and search features are available. Next, look toward the top right area of the TurboTax screen for the search bar. This search tool is one of the fastest ways to get directly to a specific section without having to click through multiple menus. In the search bar, type IP PIN. Be sure to enter it clearly so TurboTax can bring up the most relevant result for you. After you search, you should see an option that says Jump to IP PIN. Click that link to go straight to the section where TurboTax asks for your identity protection PIN. This shortcut can save time and helps you avoid scrolling through your return to find the right area manually. Once you're in the correct section, enter the 6-digit identity protection PIN that was issued to you by the IRS. This number is important because it helps verify your identity and protect your tax return from fraud. As you type it in, double-check each digit carefully to make sure it matches exactly. Even a small mistake can cause issues when your return is processed, so accuracy really matters here. If you have your IRS notice nearby, it can be helpful to read the number directly from that document instead of relying on memory. Also, take a quick moment to confirm that you're entering the IP PIN and not another IRS number by mistake, since tax documents often contain several different reference numbers. After entering the PIN, review the field one more time to make sure everything looks correct. Once that's done, you'll be ready to continue with the rest of your return in TurboTax. That's all there is to it. By using the search bar and the Jump to IP PIN link, you can get to this section quickly and enter the information correctly with less hassle.